In this video, I'm going to show you how to set password in laptop. So the first thing you want to do is go down here to the Windows search and type in password. There we go. And you want to click on change your password over here inside the system settings. You're going to be taken into your account and into your sign-in option settings, as you can see on your computer. And then down here where it says password is where you want to click. So we want to click here. And then as you can see, it says you're all set up since I already have a password. And then in case you don't have a password, it will give you an option to create one, and it will look similarly to what I'm going to do right now. In my case, I have to press change, and I have to type in the current password, and then click on next. And then you have to set a new password. So you want to select whichever one you like, and then type it in yet again. And then you want to type in your password hint. Let's say it's easy or something like this. You just want to kind of remind yourself in case you forget. And once you've done this, you simply want to click on next, and your password is going to be set. Now that's how you do it, and I hope this video helped you out.